Garlic and honey have held esteemed positions in traditional medicinal practices across various cultures. Combining garlic and honey can offer synergistic health benefits due to the individual properties of each ingredient. Here's a list of potential benefits when someone consumes garlic and honey together. Number 1. Memory and brain health. Renowned for their rich antioxidant content, both garlic and honey contribute significantly to bolstering the immune system and warding off ailments. Moreover, their consumption is believed to fortify cognitive health, potentially offering protection against prevalent neurodegenerative conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Antimicrobial properties. The combination of garlic and honey has demonstrated the ability to impede the growth of harmful bacteria responsible for causing various illnesses and infections, including pneumonia and certain types of food poisoning. Among the bacteria affected are Streptococcus pneumonia, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella. Remarkably, laboratory studies have revealed that the amalgamation of garlic juice and honey can even halt the progression of bacterial infections that are typically resistant to antibiotic treatments. Number 3. Promoting heart health. Garlic may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels, while honey's antioxidants can contribute to cardiovascular health. Consuming them together may provide added support for heart health. Number 4. Enhanced immune support. Garlic's immune-boosting properties, along with honey's antimicrobial effects, can create a potent combination to support the body's defense against infections and illnesses. Number 5. Improved respiratory health. The antibacterial and antiviral properties of both garlic and honey can help alleviate respiratory infections, such as colds, coughs, and sore throats when consumed together. Number 6. Skin health. Both garlic and honey have been used in skincare for their antibacterial and moisturizing properties. Consuming them together may promote healthy skin from the inside out. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. Both garlic and honey have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Number 8. Digestive benefits. Garlic and honey can support digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and aiding in digestion, which can contribute to overall well-being. Number 9. Detoxification. The combination of garlic and honey may support the body's natural detoxification processes, particularly in the liver, helping to eliminate toxins and promote optimal organ function. Number 10. Antioxidant protection. Together, garlic and honey provide a rich source of antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. Number 11. Energy boost. Honey's natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, while garlic's ability to improve circulation can enhance oxygen delivery to cells, resulting in increased energy levels when consumed together. Number 12. Overall well-being. Combining garlic and honey in the diet can contribute to overall health and well-being by providing a range of nutrients, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds that support various bodily functions. That's all about the health benefits of consuming garlic and honey together. However, here are some frequently asked questions about the benefits of garlic and honey. Let's check it out. Question 1. How to use garlic and honey. To ensure maximum infusion of garlic into the honey, you can pierce each clove with a knife before adding them to the jar. Alternatively, you can add the cloves as they are. Pour the honey into the same jar, ensuring that the garlic cloves are fully covered, and that the jar is filled to about 2/3 of its capacity. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, seal the jar tightly, and let the contents settle for a period of 3 to 4 weeks. Question 2. What is the best time to take garlic and honey? Taking garlic and honey on an empty stomach in the morning is indeed a common practice for many people due to the potential health benefits. However, the best time to take them may vary depending on your personal preferences and health goals. Question 3. What types of honey is good? Natural and unprocessed honey is always great to consume. According to the Mayo Clinic, varieties like citrus honey, eucalyptus honey, and labiata honey are particularly effective for cough relief. Simply consume a spoonful of honey as necessary, or infuse it into herbal teas to soothe the discomfort of cold and flu symptoms. Question 4. Are garlic supplements safe? Yes, it is fully safe for your health. Garlic supplements are typically formulated with garlic powder. While there isn't a standardized dosage for fresh garlic or garlic supplements, clinical studies indicate that daily intakes ranging from 150 to 2,400 milligrams of garlic powder can yield notable health benefits. Question 5. Which garlic supplements are best in the market? Well, there are lots of garlic supplement companies available in the market, including Nature's Bounty, Oregon's Wild Harvest, Quantum Health Store, and so on. Simply check the video description or product category to have the best garlic supplements for your needs. Question 6. Is it safe to consume honey and garlic daily? Many nutritionists suggest consuming honey and garlic on an empty stomach to alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and regurgitation. However, it's essential to be cautious with garlic intake, as excessive consumption may lead to adverse effects. For optimal results, consider incorporating a small clove of garlic daily, along with half a teaspoon of honey, into your routine. Well, that is the end of the video. Please tell us your opinion in the comments section. And make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel for further informative videos. Till then, stay with us.